You did it! Congrats on finishing this section of the course. You're that much closer to starting or advancing your digital marketing or e-commerce career. Before we move on, let's reflect on what you've already learned. In this part of the course, you learned that digital marketing is more than just creating ads to drive sales. An effective digital marketing strategy can affect every interaction a brand has with its customers. You explored the idea of the customer journey and how businesses use journey maps to understand their customers' needs and motivations. You also found out how customer journey maps can work together with marketing funnels to focus marketing efforts where they'll be most effective. Then you learned more about the top of the funnel and the tactics businesses use to reach and engage with potential customers in the awareness and consideration stages. You explored the bottom of the funnel and some ways to turn leads into loyal customers. Finally, you discovered the importance of measuring success throughout the funnel and how the insights businesses gain can help them improve the customer journey. By learning customer journey maps and marketing funnels, you're beginning to understand how to use digital channels effectively to reach customers. In the next section of the course, we'll find out what goes into building a digital marketing strategy and learn more about some of the tools and tactics you can use to carry one out. Meet you there!